Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look again at KAS, but double checking some important things here. It looks like we broke through this resistance level at 18 cents, likely swept some liquidity and has since pulled back to bounce off this 17.1 previous resistance turn support level. So we're going to talk about that and a few other factors here. Just want to quickly congratulate our community members for some awesome profit there. 44.6% on KAS in 4 days. We switched from a short to a long position. Closed our short at a very small amount of profit and then just went long essentially. We also secured some profits from Ethereum this morning at 20%. So nice stuff there. What we want to look at here for KAS is the back-end data first. So let's quickly look at where we're at here for the moment and then kind of go from there, because the liquidation levels I was talking about, there was heavier concentrations to the upside. So let's take a quick look here and kind of see roughly what that looks like. Let's actually pull this up because this looks like this might be a little bit more efficient for us. Let's take a look at this last 7 days worth of liquidation. We can see right there about 18.3, majority of that has been swept. We got some late shorts though at 18.4, so keep that in mind as well. There's still a lot of liquidation above the price action. Okay, so again, more shorts than long entering the market, specifically heavy shorts at 18.4. When I say heavy shorts, I mean like people using 50 to 100x leverage. That's unsafe, by the way. You should never do that. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at there, forecast. But on the back end data, let's quickly summarize the daily time frame and go from there. So when we look at the simple moving averages on the daily, we can recognize that we're above the price action here, above all moving averages. We talked about this previously being very bullish. We're honoring the ascending trend line 2 here with that 50-day SMA. That's half the reason why we switched from the short to the long, because we didn't break below that. We couldn't confirm below that. If we do take a look here at the moving averages, we can see, wow, nice. We got a nice MACD convergence here, strong likelihood of further upside. We can also see stochastic and traditional RSI well above 50 in really, really good shape there. So again, those are just confirming factors. We talked about that yesterday. No surprise that we're truly bullish there. 4-hour time frame, let's look at this here. We got a pretty massive overextension where we had this nice little pennant breakout here where the price action came up, squeezed itself in, and continued further up. Again, a lot of reasons why this coin, you do not want to short into it. If we take a look at the moving averages in the 4-hour, above all 4, very good. We are up closer to 70 in the RSI. Until we break down below 70, it's always good to keep your position open and to consider waiting to secure profits. That's generally the concept. So all good stuff there in that regard too. The 4-hour time frame looks phenomenal. Same thing here with the MACD. Even though we're losing momentum, we're still not diverging. It's very, very much par for the course. Yeah, so these are very good things here. Really nothing here telling us the price wants to turn around. We do take a look at the hourly. We quickly want to identify the Ichimoku cloud and just recognize that we're well above, or the lagging span rather, is free and clear. Conversion line's above the baseline, and we're above the cloud now. See, again, the cloud is consolidating here at this previous resistance turn support at 17 cents. I'm rounding up a little bit, but 17 cents is that level. So hypothetically, the price bounces off that range and continues higher. Okay, that's generally how it's supposed to work. Now, a lot of this hinges on overextension and consolidation. We want to consolidate more, but with all this volume flowing into the coin, there's no reason why you want to consider shorting it. And again, if you take a look here, the price action bounced perfectly off this level here, and it very well could continue higher. So if you want to get in on this coin, it wouldn't hurt at all. Maybe get a small 25% position size there, add 50% here, and perhaps even the additional 25% at a lower level if you consider, again, taking this as a more of a macro trade. Based on the macro, daily and 4-hour time frame, it's looking very, very strong. So there's really no signs here the price is going to turn around or reverse. Just keep in mind, of course, depending on how it works within this range will determine which direction we go. If we come down here, break down below, and retest here, we could see the price pull back down to that ascending trend with the macro, or roughly that 50-day SMA in the 4-hour. Again, these are just little things to kind of think about. It's never an exact science, but I can tell you this coin is doing very well, and there's a reason for it because it's outperforming Bitcoin consistently. So when coins do that, those might be the ones to consider investing in, right? So good news is we secured some nice profits there. Again, congrats to our community members, absolutely making up for some of those stop losses we had earlier in the month. And again, folks, complete transparency. I trigger stop losses sometimes. It's just part of it. You need to know, and I like to normalize it because it's very much a regular thing in trading. So try not to overthink it. Congrats again to our community members here too for our day trading. We got some nice profit from Matic, Litecoin, Cardano, Solana, 15% ETH, and Cardano again. So been a nice little 24-hour period there for our trading community. Deeply appreciate the awesome feedback. You can, pay me back, so to speak, by following me on social media, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, of course, YouTube, obviously. And I have TikTok and YouTube Shorts now, too. Check that out. It's all linked down below. Last but not least, reference our deposit bonus here with Bitunix. Awesome exchange, no KYC or VPN required, and you get some really nice rewards there. That's only available till the end of the month. So thanks again, Bitunix. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.